We're now going to go through the procedure of recovering the W250 XF. It's possible to recover the machine using the hydraulic unit inside the machine. We do this by pressing the question mark twice, scrolling through the help menu, select emergency mode. This will then give you options to lift and use the hydraulic mode. Activating the hydraulic mode then allows you to lift the machine, steer the machine and use other hydraulic functions slowly. We're now using the height levers to lift the machine. Using the hydraulic unit, this will move very slowly, but will still lift the machine and the milling drum out of the cut. We've now attached the two machines together with the towing bar. We're now going to deactivate the brakes by switching this lever across, pulling down, twisting 90 degrees and releasing and locking in place. After we've switched the lever, we're now going to open the rear hatch and we're going to use the brake pump to pump off the brakes. We'll take the bar from up here, use it into the pump, select the downwards arrow for off and pump the brakes until they reach 40 bar. Now we've pressured off the brakes, we're ready to activate towing mode. We do this by pressing the question mark twice on the display, scrolling through the help menu down to emergency mode, selecting emergency mode, selecting emergency mode for travel, activating emergency mode and then selecting towing or trailing mode. When towing the machine, the drive release button must be activated and then the direction of travel selected to be able to tow the machine. We're now going to recover the 250 XF.